Well, are you someone that's looking for an accommodation? Then look for something that's close to the station, but not too close, otherwise it will be too loud because of the frequency of the trains. And also make sure, if you're living on 3rd or 4th floor, that your apartment building has an elevator in it. Otherwise it will be too hard to carry grocery every day and other stuff. Big cities versus small cities. If you're coming to a big city for your study, your monthly expense might be much higher and you might find more competition for part-time jobs. Whereas if you're coming to a small city for your studies, your monthly expense will be way less, but keep in mind that you will get less part-time jobs in your own field. So be aware and make your decision accordingly. Well, bigger city means bigger problems. Very obviously, the rent. Would be pretty smart of you if you start applying for student dormitories 6 to 8 months before coming here, or in some cases even before you've been accepted as a student, as the student dormitories where you could live in Frankfurt for 300 euros instead of 600 euros. Well, it's 2024 and Germany is starting to getting digitalized. Documentation is coming to an halt. Things like Anmeldung is started to move online. So organize your documents, make PDFs. Everything comes handy even on the first day of your job when the HR asks you for your documents and your bank account number for your first German salary. Well, you know what? Avoid cheap thrill mentality. Do not stick to frozen food as it's very unhealthy for a long-term period. Rather, learn how to cook from your own home country. Get your medicines from your home country, as doctor waiting periods here are quite long and they do not prescribe antibiotics from the beginning. So make sure you have them in your bag handy so you can have them whenever you need it. And you know what, let's talk about the drinking culture. Well, everything is too much and too exposed here. Not just drinking, many other things. You will find people here crashing on festivals. Don't worry, it's normal for them here. So stay sane, avoid and ignore people and things that might affect your professional future. As a newcomer, please do not keep converting the currency in your head every time you go out to shop something. Sometimes things might seem expensive, but they are necessary. For example, investing in a good winter jacket. Well, buying a good winter jacket is a must and absolutely necessary here. Be open to change. Germans that might seem rude are not being rude, they're just being straight up. So, a tip here would be, when you're coming to a new country, a new land, come with less judgments and more accepting nature. And also, in every culture, people are brought up in a different manner, so you will find different things in every other country. And remember this, it's completely normal to experience culture shock, as even if you travel in your own country to another state, you will experience some culture difference there as well. Do not be insecure if you don't know the language. Speak what you know confidently and proudly. Remember, confidence is a state of mind, and make sure you sound like a professional no matter what. And just know that you need to be good in general communication first and then get into this loop of insecurity. So if you agree, like the video and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to check your phone before stepping out of your house, as the weather here changes very frequently and spontaneously. So keep the umbrella handy, you might need it anytime. Bye bye and see you in the next video.